Hey guest, and welcome back to the Rodgers House. And today I am showing you a quick and easy and delicious one-pot meal that you can be sitting down to eat in less than 15 minutes. It is my own special recipe of chicken chili. So if you're interested in something like that, keep watching. So guys, as you can see, I am putting about 1.5 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil in the pan and letting it get warm, and I've got it on medium heat. And then I'm going to be using the Perdue ground chicken. And then you'll see I'm pointing to the ingredients. I don't know if you can see them very well, but the ingredients are a can of diced tomatoes with green chilies. And then to save time, because this is all about saving time and time management for me, I get the pre-diced red, yellow, and green bell peppers and the pre-diced tomatoes and onions. Now, yeah, I know I probably should dice them myself, but once again, it's about time management for me. So then I am also going to be using that pack of McCormick chili seasoning packet that you see on the stove as well, and I will be using that Birdseye Power Blend, which has 18 grams of protein in it. And that bag, you just prepare like it says gives the directions on the back. I throw it in the microwave and prepare it halfway. Then I add it, and it cooks the rest of the way in the pan. So the Power Blend has black beans, corn, red bell peppers, lentils, lentil zucchini, orzo pasta, and a zesty kind of sauce. And we love this. I use it all the time. I use it even if I'm making wraps. It goes really well with that. If you want to make vegetarian wraps, it's good for that as well. If you want to throw the ground chicken in there, if you want to throw diced chicken in there, it pairs well with that. It gives you a lot of protein. So also, guys, you have to understand too that when you come home after working a long day at work, you want to be able to fix something very healthy for your family, and you want it to be done quickly, prepared quickly. So this is why I'm giving you these shortcut tips on getting the pre-diced bell peppers, onions, and tomatoes already in the store in your produce section. And then also another tip is, this is a little spicy because we like spicy food, but if you don't want it to be as spicy, get a can of diced tomatoes without the green chilies, and use a salsa that is a mild salsa instead of a medium salsa. So those are just a few little tips that can help you in preparing this meal for your family. You can also throw this over some rice and add a little bit of chicken stock, and it could make for a really nice warm soup. But we use this as a chili, and I normally cook it like this because if I do have leftovers, I throw them in a wrap, and either with just the Power Blend, or I throw it in a wrap with like it is, or I add some diced chicken. So I hope these tips are helping you as you try to find a great nutritional meal for your family. that pack of McCormick Mild Chili seasoning. Then I'm going to add the can of diced tomatoes with the green chilies. And then you'll see me add the diced red, yellow, and green bell peppers. Gives it flavor, gives it a nice color. I'm going to also then add the diced tomatoes and onions. So yes, I'm adding about a 1/4 cup of ketchup, mainly because it has a little bit of sugar in it, and I want to just add to the flavors of the chili. So guys, now I'm going to finish up with the Birdseye Power Blend. I'm going to throw that mixture in there, and then you'll see me adding the Tostitos salsa. And then I'm just going to let it simmer for about 10 minutes. You'll see me setting the timer on my stove for 10 minutes. I'm going to let it simmer, and then we'll be ready to eat. So guys, I hope you'll try this recipe, and if you do, please come back to this video and comment down below to tell me what you think and how well you like it. Okay, guests, so let's eat. If this is your first time visiting, welcome, and I hope you'll consider becoming a guest of the Rodgers House. And if you are a returning visitor, thank you so much for all your love and support. I truly do appreciate it. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you'll know when I've uploaded more videos. And I want to thank you all for watching the Rodgers House.